The covered smart centre houses the user controls and the induction bowl. There is a wide opening door, which not only protects the user controls from dirt and water, but on the inner panel offers a safe place for you to store your gloves and measuring jug. The 55 litre induction bowl has an impressive draw rate of 1,500 litres per minute. And if you use a lot of powders, a mixing nozzle at the base of the induction bowl ensures that these are whisked away without any fear of blockage. The Super S boom is well proven. It's been in service for 25 years and its lattice construction gives superb strength without weight. And this 28-metre boom will pack behind the tank, giving a narrow transport width of only 2.4 metres. The machine that you see in the ring and can go and see on Amazon's stand behind me is equipped with an in-cab comfort pack for automatic filling and rinsing and contour control automatic boom height control. And this, of course, offers independent negative and positive geometry for all types of terrain.